Breaking news. This is Grandpa with the latest news. So me get it, and so me go no, me not take out, and me not put in. In the Trinityville district in St. Thomas, from Monday, a lot of accident are gone. Car rally up in a truck and truck rally up in a bus. People, please to be careful on Trinityville Road, because the road is a little bit smooth and the car them are run off of the road, and the taxi drivers them, please to take no time and drive on the road. Yesterday evening about 7:15, a big earthquake passed through Jamaica, my people. People stopped in their house and their house are shake so. I think the earthquake go about a minute or two, but it's a powerful earthquake go on yesterday in St. Thomas. I never know it go on, I be awake go on, but I know say one earthquake go on in Jamaica yesterday afternoon. It was a good one. I didn't check the scale to see how much the earthquake weigh, because I couldn't find the scale. In St. Thomas, pastor man resigned because they're telling lie on him, so he must sleep with church sister, and he resigned from the church. Grandpa Fall in St. Thomas, Trinityville, right across with Robert Library High School, is up and running. And I have to give out this warning, because me hear people tell lie from Grandpa Fall or school picnic come at Grandpa Fall. That's a lie, because no school children are allowed at Grandpa Fall during school time. So yeah, some big dirty stinking people we have to walk around and tell lie about school picnic come at Grandpa Fall. That's a lie. You understand me? No school picnic come to Grandpa Fall during school time. So the dirty nigga, the my dirty people we are talking about school picnic come at Grandpa Fall. That's a lie. And do remember, Grandpa Fall is owned by separate, because Grandpa Fall is an separate land. You understand me? And separate is a company that have a lot of logo, a lot of brand. So if you're not buying separate product, it don't make sense to come to Grandpa Fall, because separate is the way to go. Big up Surge Island. Whoa. And in St. Thomas, Trinityville, the Jamaica Bible Church keep a 3-day prayer meeting on the roadside, saying that the people them from Trinityville them need to repent, because they have too much obia worker in Trinityville and too much obia worker in the church, so they need to repent. And use your bad. In Trinityville, from Georgia Crossroad to Somerset Crossroad, man catch him wife with used condom in a bag and ask her, what is that? And she said, she blow her nose in it, and they're thinking about getting a divorce right now. But please do remember, don't call Grandpa and ask Grandpa who, because Grandpa don't have the money to take a lawsuit. And the people them from Trinityville, them still a cuss. For me, I read this news just so long, I'm gonna put on my glass. What is God? Yes. In that Trinityville, going up to Donald shop, my people, the resident of Trinityville, them a cuss about the wall where the man them build up right below Donald shop there, so where the wall is so high that any car come on and can see from car running so one car running so. So the people them a say the damn wall want cut down to size, that if a car come, then can see it and then want to flick up in it. That is That is the news from the Grandpa Neighborhood News team. And some me get it, and some me give up. Me not take out, me not take out, and me not put in. May God continue to bless you, cause me can bless you over and out. And do remember, separate is the way to go.